Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to improve your YouTube Studio setup, as I'm going to do with just a few basic tools. I'm going to talk today about some tools I'm going to use to make this setup look an awful lot better. So I purchased this from Amazon. Now this is a set of 2 spotlights that you can stick in place. On Amazon there are a lot of these type of lights, and some were an awful lot cheaper. For the price of this set I could have bought 4 lights, but the problem is they're motion controlled and they're for like putting in stairs and cupboards. These were the ones I could find that weren't motion controlled, so you need some permanent lighting, and I think these are going to be quite good. Now in the box you get 2 lights, and you can see one's already come on. You get some magnetic sticker discs, and these are going to be quite useful. And you get 2 USB-C cables for charging. So these devices are really simple. You short press to turn on, and you long press to change the intensity of the color. I think it's dimming now. Yes, it's dimming. And if I long press, it'll increase in intensity, and a short press to turn it off. That's all they do. They're not motion activated, you just touch them. And on the back, they've got a magnet. So they're going to stick. I'm going to use this a little bit later. I'm going to turn this on now. It's probably going to come out yellow, which is okay. What we want to do is we want to do lighting from the top so you can see it. You don't want to have your light visible in the shot. So I could put the light there, and it's okay, but I'd much rather light it from above. And the way this storage cube is set up, I can't very easily attach things to do down lighting, so that's why I've got these. But I'm going to talk about how we can use these a little bit later. So I've stuck that in the ceiling here, and now all I need to do is turn my light on and mount it. So I'm going to use this light, which is really a strong light, but this folds out like so, and it's got a remote control, and we can turn it on. And now the camera is visible. Fortunately, it looks like you can see the down LED here, which is a bit of a shame, but I can always move that sticker a bit later, as I've got 4 of the stickers. So in the back, we've got this Trapper Wolf helmet. Definitely going to want to illuminate that. I'm going to put the sticker in now. So wasn't I lucky that the battery ran out on the ZV-1 again? I put 2 of these lights in here to illuminate the helmet. So I've got one at the top stuck to the top using the magnetic strips, and I put one down here, and they're on maximum intensity. Up in the top I've put 2 yellow color lights just to really help sell the illusion, and if I really wanted to I could probably add this light in as well. Just going to turn this on because this can go warm, so I'm going to put this in as well, just to give it that impression that it's giving out loads and loads of light. It's going to look like the Pac-Man's giving out loads of light. It's not at all. It's really quite a weak light. So that's what it looks like without those lights, and as you can see, it makes a huge difference putting those additional lights in. Other things we can do with this type of light is we can light up the top helmet, because believe it or not, there is a helmet up top. So I'm just going to move that back. I'm going to put this light up here, and now we're starting to see a helmet. Again, unless you light things from the top, you'd never see all of it. So I can't mount this in here, unfortunately, because of the way the cube's designed. But maybe if I had a couple of lights, like with this one, I could mount them. So thankfully, this set I got is USB-C rechargeable, so I'm not going to be going through lots of disposable batteries.